Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You begin by narrowing scope. Pick a niche and map the core affiliate flow you'll ship first. Once done, decide whether you charge per conversion, share revenue, or use subscriptions, because this shapes tracking and UI. Next, build a quick landing page and collect emails. Run a short paid or organic test to confirm demand. Make sure to sketch data points you need for the MVP. Click ID, conversions, payouts, so engineering and legal align on what to capture. Now build the system. Pick a stack that supports your growth plans and implement deterministic tracking. Use link tokens, server-side events, and consistent attribution windows to avoid lost conversions. While coding, add fraud detection rules and rate limits to protect payouts. Integrate partner merchant APIs and create a dashboard for affiliates and admins so onboarding and reporting are automated. Make sure to log events immutably. This simplifies reconciliation and payout calculations when the app scales. Launch to a limited audience and watch key metrics: conversions, attribution match rate, latency, and payout accuracy. Once live, iterate quickly on UX flows and attribution edge cases where partners disagree. Make sure to run reconciliations daily and automate alerts for payout discrepancies. If something breaks, the single most effective troubleshooting step is to compare server event logs and timestamped proofs of click-to-conversion. That audit trail reveals.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.